Today's we are going to discuss about the child relationship and also the find method. That means we are talking about the traversing or descendants. So in our previous lecture you learned how can you find or how can you create the selector which find the parents to add a particular action to your HTML content. Now we are saying that if I'm just commenting this so you can easily get the code. Now I'm saying, just a second. Now I'm saying that I have another para. I'm saying whenever someone click on this button, I'm saying it find this parent and also add some action or also add a part or also manipulate some HTML content. For suppose I'm saying I'm going to create this selector and I'm going to say that find all the paragraphs inside this and remove them. For suppose, how can you do that? Make sure we have a custom.js file, we have an index.html file, and we have added the jQuery to our HTML file. We have a custom.js file. This is the custom.js file where we are writing all our jQuery code. Okay, so now I'm saying whenever someone click on this button, which button? This button. Okay, click. That means we are going to create the click event. And now I'm saying I'm creating the child relationship. How? I'm saying this is the parent, and now I'm saying I'm creating the selector. I'm saying then children, and now I'm saying for suppose remove them. Remove all the content. Go to your page, refresh the page to paragraphs inside a div. Click on this, right click, inspect element. So now as you can see you have the remaining div and you have just removed the paragraphs. So in this way, for suppose if you have multiple paragraphs, and now just click on this, as you can see you have just removed all the children. Okay, so you can also remove a particular, for suppose if you want to add the first child. So how can you do that? You just need to add need to add the pass. I'm saying p dot first. Go to your page, refresh the page, click on this. Sorry, it's not working. Why it's not? Let me show. I'm saying we have two paragraphs. Click on this. It's not removing because this class is not exist. For suppose I'm saying that p first. Refresh the page, click on this. So now as you can see it's removing the first element. Okay, so for suppose if you have 3 elements or 4 elements and you are creating and you're clicking on this, as you can see it's removing the first element. Click on this first, click first. So now it's totally depend upon you. And you have another type of functionality. For suppose if you want to say find this class, for suppose if you have XYZ class, I'm saying just find this class inside this div. For suppose if you have thousands of elements and you are going to find something, I'm saying someone click on this, I'm going to find this class inside this. How can you do that? Just wait, just comment this so you can easily get the code. And now I'm saying whenever someone click this class, and this is the callback function, now I'm saying that I'm going to create this selector. I'm saying this is the selector. I'm saying this is the parent. I'm saying find. Which find? I'm saying find the class, this class. Find the class and remove the element. Now go to your page, refresh the page. You have 4 elements. So now as you can see, you have the class, this paragraph. This is my para. You can also add the CSS style here, or for suppose inline styling. I'm saying style color black. Oh no, not black. I'm saying color red. Go to your page, refresh the page, red color. You are going to remove this color. Click on this. So now as you can see, you have just removed a particular item, because you are saying just this is a selector, and you are saying you are using the find method, and you are passing one argument. You are saying find this class. So these are the very useful functions while creating the project or while working on the plugins, because thousands of plugins available, thousands of jQuery plugins available. So you need to add, if you need the extra functionality, so what you just need to add some files and just use them. Okay, so in this way you can use the find, and you can also use the traversing or the sentence. So thank you for watching.